Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add service charges on Square. The first thing I want you to do is just log into your Square dashboard, come here and tap on account and settings. And from here, tap on a business information, click on a service charges, and then click here on create service charge. Now, the first thing you can do is just go ahead and, enter your name. Choose the amount type. It can either be a percentage or a fixed amount, such as this. Just enter the amount here, and you can come and edit the sales tax as well. So you can come here and, by the way, choose the applicable location and the associated tax with it. Okay, it will automatically be applied, and you can choose the tax assignments as well. Okay, basically how your service charge will be taxed. So you have three options. We have non-taxable, we have tax assigned, and we have tax apportioned. So non-taxable means your service charge will not be taxed. Tax assigned means your service charge is taxable, and the entire service charge will be taxed at the assigned rate. Now, this tax apportioned means the service charge will inherit the tax rate from the items in the cart. Now, when you're all set, just go ahead and tap on done, and then you can save it. Now, what I want you to do is just come here at the top, tap on library, and you can either search for the service charge. You can tap here on service charges as well, and just choose whatever service charge you want to add. So let's say you want to add this one. Okay, as you can see, it has been applied. Just hit on a charge, and on the customer's email, they'll see a line item right here. This is what it will show like, the service charge. And on your panel, okay, you'll see here under your transactions, you would see the service charge here. Okay, and it's really that easy and simple. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.